Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add Google Plus page into your app. The Google Plus page allows you to effectively reach out to new users and build your mobile community on the fly. Now let's see how to add Google Plus page. Enter your business name. And click on Next. As per your business name, the app will suggest you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on View More Categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on Next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on Next. Now let's add Google Plus page. Click on View All here and search Google Plus. Click on the page to add it. Here's your Google Plus page name. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline, icon, or image from a library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to Content section. Here's your app menu name, Google Plus. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the app menu icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon image. Now comes entering your Google Plus user URL. You can follow the tutorial how to locate Google Plus user URL to get it. Once you got Google Plus user URL, enter it here. Click on Preview button to check the functionality on simulation window. Click on Add More button to add multiple Google Plus profiles. From here, you can delete the Google Plus profiles. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.